By tomorrow morning, we could be seeing historic snow totals in the eastern plains, and around the metro area, we'll be seeing some pretty impressive totals too.
The big concern right now, the roads. Our Weather Impact Day team coverage continues now with 9 News reporter Kelly Rinke. She joins us live from I-25, getting on 225, right, Kelly? How's it looking out there?
Yes, hi guys. So we are on 225 North. We actually just merged onto 225. So let's take a look at the roads. The roads have pretty much looked like this over the last hour. The snow definitely is coming down more than it was about an hour ago, but traffic is moving. We really haven't been hitting much traffic, but it is really wet and slippery on the road. So definitely take it nice and slow, nice and easy. The roads have looked pretty similar across this area. We were just northeast of Centennial earlier and down in Parker, and the conditions have pretty much been similar across the board. The roads are clear. They haven't been really icy, but they have definitely been wet. So if you are planning on hitting the roads later today, we just ask that you take it nice and slow. But thankfully, we really haven't come across many accidents, guys.
It's the best kind of report you can give us from out on the roads when you don't see those spin outs and those accidents that this kind of weather can cause. Kelly, thank you so much for that input.